Alright, students. Today, let's master the topics that show up on your economics exams year after year. So have you ever wondered which topics are practically guaranteed to show up on your WAEC, JAMB, and NECO exams? Getting these right is a huge deal. They can make up a massive part of your exam. So today, we're jumping right in. We'll break down real questions on scarcity, production, demand, and more. Okay, but before we dive into the questions, let's do a super quick review of the basics. Remember, scarcity is the big one. It's the whole reason economics exists. Limited stuff, unlimited wants. And the production possibility curve, or PPC, is the perfect graph to show this. It visualizes our production limits. And check this out. When that curve shifts outwards, it's a clear signal that the economy is growing. And hey, if you really want to boost your chances, check out SureBanker. It's a smart way to prepare. All right, with that foundation, let's tackle some actual WAEC 2020 questions. Okay, question 1. What's the one single idea at the very heart of economics? Let's look at the options. So, how do we figure this out? Well, economics is all about solving one big problem, scarcity. So yeah, the answer is C, scarcity. Pro tip, always link your definitions back to this concept. It's a classic. All right, next up. We just saw this a second ago. What does it mean when the PPC shifts outwards? And the answer is A, growth. Here's a simple way to remember. An outward shift means the economy is growing bigger. Okay, for your theory questions, you have to know the difference here. Competitive is for substitute, like tea and coffee. And when you're explaining with diagrams, these three shifts are your best friends. Nail these and you're golden. Okay, we've seen the WAEC style. Now let's switch gears and look at how JAMB and NECO might ask things. So here's a JAMB question. You'll notice they get really specific. What's the best definition of scarcity here? The answer is D. See what I mean? JAMB loves that precise language in relation to wants. It's all in the details. And here's one in the NECO style. A carpenter building a roof. Which factor of production is that? Easy one. Of course, it's B, labor. That's the physical and mental human effort used to get the job done. Okay, let's do a quick recap of the ultimate exam strategy. These are the points you absolutely need to know. So to wrap it up, for WAEC and NECO, your diagrams need to be perfect. For JAMB, it's all about speed and precision. And that's a wrap. If this helped, please smash that like button, share it, and subscribe. For more practice, head over to our website.